Welcome back. What's going on, guys? JA, appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank y'all for tuning in. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing some Yeezy packages, some of my most recent purchases. Stay tuned for the very last one. We have an upcoming, currently unreleased Yeezy, so it's gonna be a fun one, guys. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. If you guys enjoy content like this, be sure to leave a thumbs up on today's video, as well as if you guys enjoy the instrumentals. All beats on this channel are produced by yours truly. So let's get straight into it here, guys. So the first package was actually a retail W, a rare one that I got on the Confirmed app. So we have a Yeezy 350 box. So I'm sure some of you guys can guess some of the most recent releases. Here we have the 350 MX Rock, which in my opinion, one of the better, if not the best 350 release that we got this year. This one wasn't too easy of a W, but a lot of people had success on this drop. Let me know if you guys were able to cop in the comment section down below. So we wouldn't be able to make this video happen without the sponsors here on the channel. So before we get into the next one, let's go ahead and take a moment to pay some bills. Thank you to Addict for sponsoring today's video. So let's take a brief moment to talk about Addict 3.0, which is one of the best ways to secure all of the latest releases from sneakers to Yeezys. Addict rarely restocks, so I highly suggest checking out addict.io or clicking the link in the description for the best chance to purchase. Addict's been helping their users have success on a whole bunch of hype drops all year. Here's some of their most recent success. If you're able to secure Addict on the release, you'll also get exclusive access to their Discord cook group, which is free of charge. Addict charges a one-time fee, meaning there are no renewals. So once you own Addict, you own it for life. So be sure to sign up at addict.io or click the link in the description down below. Now I already know what this next one is here. One of the most highly produced releases of the year, one that everybody was hyped to get. A retro, classic, original 350 release, and they decided to bring them back in the reflective version. So another retail W, blessed once again off the Adidas Confirmed app. Here we have the 350 Beluga reflective. So these joints are cool. Personally, I would say I prefer the OG pair just due to, you know, the quality control being a little more superior. As you guys know, when they start mass producing things, one of the consequences is unfortunately suffering in the quality control department. But nonetheless, you have the 350 Beluga reflective, one of the more popular releases of the year. So I did want to ask you guys a question because I picked both of these up in a size 5 for my daughter. So let me know in the comments below. She's not gonna get both pairs, but which one do you guys think we should go ahead and keep? I got these in a little bigger of a size, that way she can grow into it. So actually these are a size 5 and these are a size 6. So one I'll probably flip, you know, and cop her a pair of those new foam runners. But which ones you guys think? Beluga for her or the MX Rock? Let me know down below. So let's get into it, guys. This next one here, I know what these are. So again, Yeezy brought back the slides. So recently they released the Pure, and then of course the Ochre. So these joints right here do feature the MX swirl pattern, but it's just so faint that you can barely tell. So pick these joints up off of GOAT. These are kind of one of those delayed Christmas gifts. You guys know how sometimes, you know, you do a little last minute shopping, particularly online shopping, and you know, some of your gifts come in a little delayed. So here we have the Ochre slide, size 7. I actually wanted to cop these for the personal, but because I didn't actually hit a retail W, decided to pass on copping these joints for resale. I already got the Herb Brown joints, which they're actually on feet as we speak. And let's go ahead and just compare them. The difference in the color is so faint. I mean, obviously these are a more golden color, but you don't need both of these. Come on now, guys. So what do you guys think about the Ochre colorway? And were you able to successfully hit on the Pure or the ochre. And then apparently some stores overseas actually restocked the glow green colorway as well. So this is a smaller box. This was actually another confirmed app, W. For some reason, I don't know what it is, after taking a lot of L's all year, I was lucky enough to get blessed with, what did I get? 3 W's on the confirmed app. So here we have the 450. This was the third 450 release made in Germany. As you see from the sticker right inside of the box, we have the 450 resin. So this colorway, I would say, because of the shade of green, a lot of people were turned off on this at first, but I feel like in the long run, these joints will be highly coveted as one of the great looking tonal Yeezys. So you had the cloud white, you have the dark slate, and then to complete the set, here we have the 450 resin, which I feel like is one of the better releases of the year. So let me know what you guys think about those joints. And again, I have a question because I purchased these as gifts for my sister, both in a size 7. So which one should I give to her? She's not getting both, she don't deserve both, but I'll probably flip one and then give one as a gift. So 450 resin or the slide. I'm more leaning towards the slide. You know, for her, I feel like it's just something easy to slip on and go. And she may like those a little bit more. So let me know what you guys think down below. Now this package right here, is very special. As I mentioned earlier, 2022 already is stacked with a whole bunch of heat, a little variety for everyone. You know, I still have a wish list and hoping on some dope pairs that we see coming out. So the future is very bright. Unboxing here, we have one of those 2022 releases. This is one we've already seen, but this is gonna be the first time seeing these joints in hand. So this is a no box pair. Shout out to Request Boutique in Charlotte. Here, guys, we have a first look at one of the more popular hype releases. Here we got the 350 Dazzling Blue. Let me know what you guys think about these joints down below. Not gonna lie, these are nice. Quality is on point. So yeah, I'm digging these joints. This is gonna be one of the more hype releases for 2022. Yeezy's kind of bringing it back to some of the OG colorways, but I would say this is putting a twist on it with that blue stripe. So at first I wasn't too hype on these, but looking at them in hand, I ain't gonna lie, I might have to eat my words once again because these joints are not so bad. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you hyped for this upcoming 350 Dazzling Blue? Let me know what you think about these joints in the comment section below. Again, if you guys enjoy content like this, be sure to leave a thumbs up. We're gonna wrap up today's video here. Appreciate you guys. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.